Hello guys, my name is Vitaly and today I'm showing you how to use my Easy Geometry Stub library install, how it working, with this. First you need to install this library and go you download my file, you download this library and here has on your computer. You need simple download it and extract this zip file. Choose your file and click extract all on window. Okay, extract all. Extract. Okay, you extract this file. You need to copy this file path. Simple click to file path. Ctrl C or right mouse button and click copy. Next, go to the edit, preferences, file path, click on a window asset library, click plus and path to folder. Our path what we okay. Next, simple click add asset library. Okay, this asset library added to you Blender. Simple save preferences and go check it. You need to select this library on asset browser. Go to our window and replace to asset browser. Next, we need to check Easy Geometry Stub Early Access Asset Library. Click all or preset. I'm, for example, show you how to use Lightning this year. Yeah. I'm use Eevee, for example. Other engines, cycles, bench, okay. How work with this lighting? For this lighting, how possible setup and modify. It's geometry, not stub, and we have target collection. We need this target collection. Go add. I'm at cube. Add subdivision for this group. Smooth. And add as a collection. Simple click to platform collection, new collection, and move cube to collection 2. Next we need back to our lightning and target collection, choose collection 2. Lightning working. Next, we have possible turn on or turn off smooth. Go back and go stop. Smooth, add more smooth corner about lighting in lighting. Do it the way you like it best. Okay. Next, we have possible use other object. Let's duplicate to Shift D. Okay. If you see, it's magnet to other object in collection too. And we have possible magnet all the part of the light. How it's let's move from output to our part, other part, and in setup in modifier, go to the magnet factor. And if you check choice to 1, you have possible have this effect. First our object and first part to object and 2 parts. Next we have possible draw light. Go to the tab, edit mode. I'm simple show overlay, yeah, and delete. Select all and delete all vertices. Go to the draw, simple draw, and I'm draw my line. Next we have possible setup it. Length. It's control how more lightning to branch. I won't show you all settings now. Just experiment with this. Okay. Next, I show you how use neon Bezier curve. Simple. Simple drag and drop this curve. And in edit mode, also possible draw it. If you don't see light, you need to go to shade editor. And set up your glass letters material. Glass letters. You need gradient coordinate axis to 0. If you don't see on Eevee, you need to use all cycles. Or tap in Eevee material. You need alt-Fest, alpha blend. And in setup, you need reflection in screen space reflection. And next it's work. Next you have possible draw anything, simple delete all, and draw our neon. Go to this tab and go to little setup it. So possible control resemble lens. What is doing, and if I choose more value, I have this corner. It simply resemble lens, but if you check it, choose little value, so possible you have many performance. Next we have possible check radius our neon. And thickness. What is thickness? It's our neon inside. Into, because neon have thickness. This is 2. Go to the other node. Delete it. Go to the text preset. Neon text, and you have possible type your text and control this and go to the type data and choose your font, Arial for example, and set up this. Go to the modifier, choose this and set up. You need to experiment with this. Next, go to the plus text. It's a preset to type in text in a metal wrapper, but you have possible check it. Go type our text. It's news. And go to little setup it. Okay, next. Next, go check our modifier. It's in progress. It's early access, but very readable modifier. It's shade angle smooth. How it working? It's working about. So I add monkey and. Go, I'm simply drop down shade angle smooth to this, and if I choose more angle, it's smooth geometry. It's very useful inside geometry nodes, because geometry nodes don't use standard shade angle smooth. Next, go check smooth quarter mesher. It's simple remesh up your object. Go to the shade, not smooth. Smooth your geometry. For this moment, geometry nodes are smoothing, but it's alt my step for smooth geometry inside geometry nodes. Next, go check to maybe fill extrude and offset. Simple go add text. And if I drop down fill extrude offset, I'm get text for possible setup it. If you need to remesh it, you need add geometry to curve and move up. And next we have possible controller mesh, and you get more clean geometry. What about I'm saying? Go to the wire and check it. You see how it works. to create more clean geometry for text. And for example, I'm show you how working with straight angle smooth. I'm drop down to this, so I'm turn off my frame and if you see it's working and text have smooth on corner. If I don't use it and use I'm no possible smooth it. Only modifier. So modifier X split. And it's not working for geometry nodes or shade angle, and it's working. Okay, go to check other, maybe go check base neon texture too, which at this broken mesh, but if you go to the setup it, sorry, go to the data and fill mode to none. And next it's working little better. Next we need to stop it. It's better. It's better it was at the postal office. Next, go check neon bubble. It's similar to preset glass text 1, but it's with neon text. Thank you for watching. Actually it is still difficult for me to speak English. I hope I have explained the basic things. Please ask if you do not understand. Thank you. Bye bye.